Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl emthebosss, and I'm back here again for another video. I'm trying to be consistent with this YouTube stuff because I've been really missing out. So for today's video, I'm gonna do Ariana Grande's 7 Rings inspired catalog. As you guys know, I usually do my brows or my eyeshadow first before my foundation because I'm really oily as fuck. And for brows, I usually use the Anastasiabeverlyhills pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm gonna do my brows off cam because it's gonna take me forever to do my brows. So I'm kind of down with my brows. I didn't set it yet because there's gonna be a lot of powder happening later. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline Cream Satin in the shade 04 for my eyes as an eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use the BYS Festival palette, and I'm gonna start off with this color right here. This is my transition color. Before you put an eyeshadow, make sure there's no creasing on your lids. On to this color right here, this like darker pink. And I'm gonna move on to this red right here to make it more a little bit dark because I don't want to be like this is too light. I don't like it and I'm not feeling it. Use this to like draw a halo. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Moonchild palette. And I can't show. I'm gonna use the pink heart. It's so messy, so fucked up. So I'm gonna wet my flat brush. I'm gonna go back into this one. Get the gradient effect. Just like this. Moving on to my face. Wipes to get rid of the oiliness of my face, and my cat is starting to be annoying again. So I already did moisturize my face. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro in the shade 108. I put it on my face directly. It's way too dark for me, I think. I don't know. I don't really like putting foundation on my neck because I'm not really going anywhere. I just do it for the video, so don't mind that. I'm gonna set it everything with a Maybelline Fit Me press powder in the shade Pure Beige. Oh wait, I forgot to put concealer. What a damn ass. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade Light. It's powder. Powder palette, bronzing powder palette of the byscosmetics. Mix this all for right here. Bronze my existence. Go back in with the rcma powder and just gonna cut my contour. By the way, I'm still using the bronzing palette of BYS to contour my nose. Sorry for all the noise. It's just raining outside. Go back in with my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna dip it into the red color earlier. The harsh lines using this color right here. Go back and set my brows using the Maybelline Fashion Brow in the shade dark brown. Too much because I'm not good at using this kind of eyeliners. O2 eyeliner. I'm not really good at eyeliner. Well, I used to be before, but your girl is more into gel liners than this one. Mascara, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. For my inner corners, I'm gonna use the BYS Highlighting Trio in the shade Glistening. I'm just gonna mix these two right here. So pigmented. Like, what the fuck? I didn't even wet my brush. And for blush, as usual, I'm gonna use the LA Curl Neural Blush. On my nose as well. And I'm gonna brush off the powder of the baking shit earlier. I'm gonna set my entire face with Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. And for highlighter, I'm still gonna use the Maybelline Highlighting Trio in Glistening. I don't need to wet my brush for this because it's really pigmented as fuck. So I'm just gonna mix everything. I'm gonna do the shade right here. I put a Vaseline on my lips just to moisturize it. Of course, I'm gonna rid of my eye stain. More Vaseline on my lips. I'm gonna grab that color on that palette. It's gonna fit like this. If you don't have lipstick, you can use eyeshadow. Add a little more shine to it. If you want to be extra, just gonna put some highlighter on. So this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.